If you want to use the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we can open settings on your phone. Over here in settings, scroll down and search for the security and privacy option. Afterwards, we're gonna scroll down and we are looking for more security settings. And then in here, we can find the secure folder. We can tap on continue. Then over here, we need to agree to let the secure folder use some of the permissions. And now we need to wait for the phone to create the secure folder. Afterwards, you will have the password set up, so you can choose one of these password types that are going to be used. And let's say I'm gonna choose a pattern, and we need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go. You can also use a Samsung account to be able to recover the password to the secure folder in case you forget it. So if you want to, you can allow yourself to do so. But if not, you can tap on a don't allow, and that is okay too. Once we are ready, go next. You can also choose what should happen when a secure folder is locked. So you can, for example, close all apps while locked, or you can allow background activity as well. And then go next. You can, of course, hide the secure folder for more privacy if you want to. And there we go, we have our secure folder created. Now, the secure folder can be found in the app drawer by default. And you can tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find a bunch of additional settings that you might want to use. Over here, we can also use this plus button in order to add an app into the secure folder. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app over here, and then we're gonna add it to the secure folder, and there we go. Now keep in mind that this is pretty much the cloned version. We are not moving the app into the secure folder, we are pretty much creating the second instance. It's like duplicating an app. Also, we can go to the Play Store or the Galaxy Store in order to download a new app into the secure folder that is not installed outside of it. So I think you can get the idea now that the secure folder is pretty much like a separate environment. Everything that you have inside of here, every data, every file, every account is completely separated from everything that you have outside of the secure folder. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.